Number 215, diver Sheila May received scores of 9.8, 9.9, 10, 10, 9.9, and 10. If the lowest and highest scores are disregarded, what is her average? Okay, pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so the choices are 9.92, 9.93, 9.88, 9.98, and 9.95. Okay, so the formula for average is equal to sum of all scores over total number of scores. Okay? So total number of scores. In symbol, we can write that as x bar is equal to summation of x. X is the scores over n. N is the total number of scores. But we have condition here if the lowest and highest scores are disregarded. So we just cancel one highest score and then one lowest score because we have 3 10s here. So we can just cancel 110. Okay? So the lowest score is 9.8 and the highest score is 10. So we can cancel this. 9.8 and 10. So therefore, the remaining number of scores, we have 4 scores left. Okay? So find the average of that 4 scores. So summation of x, sum of all scores. So we have 9.9 plus another 9.9 plus we have 2 10s. So we have 10 plus 10 and then we divide that by 4. So shortcut for this, we have 2 9.9 and we have 2 10s. What is the middle? Middle of 9.9 and 10. 9.9, we can write that as 9.90. And we have 10.00. So what is the middle? So without solving, the middle of 9.90 and 10 is 9.95. So the answer to this is letter E. But let us solve this. Let us show if we get the sum of the 4 scores and divide by 4, we will also get 9.95. Okay, so let's add to 9.9 plus 9.9 plus 10. Let's write 10.0 and another 10.0. So let's add that. We have 9 plus 9. We have 18. And then we have 10, 20. And then this is 39. Okay, so 39.8. So let's divide 39.8 divided by 4. So let's do manually. 39.8 divided by 4. So put the decimal point here. 39 divided by 4, we have 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Subtract this, we have 9 minus 6, we have 3, bring down 8. 38 divided by 4, we have 9. 9 times 4, we have 36. Subtract, we have 2. Add another 0 and then bring it down. So we have, bring down 0. So we have 20 divided by 4. That is equal to 5. 5 times 4 is 20. So subtract, the remainder is 0. The answer is 9.95. So same answer if we just use this technique. We have 2 9.9s and 2 10s. So we just get the middle of that. So if we add same answer and then divide by 4, 9.95. So follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share a reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subject. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items 'yon, yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking Messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.